1 in 5 Canadians experience mental illness, with around 1.5 million people suffering from depression at any given time. Mike Loughman is raising awareness about mental health by walking 1,000 kilometers across Alberta. He's also doing it with a ball and chain attached to his leg. Mike, thanks so much for joining us. Let's get it right out of the way. Explain to us what the whole idea and what does the ball and chain symbolize?
Well, the ball and chain symbolizes my addictions and mental health. Just because I'm sober doesn't mean my addictions haven't left me completely. And the ball and chain that represents the mental health side of it is people always saying, just smile, but it's a weight that I'll always carry around with me.
Right, and you've got the ball and chain with you. Let's show that and give us a little bit of the backstory of how that came to be.
Okay, well, an artist named Wilma Rowland donated a painting to my fundraiser last year called Unmasked Mental Health. And it was a painting of a ball and chain with a happy face on it. And I asked her, well, what is that about? And she said, well, it's about her severe depression. And it's always like, it's like a ball and chain, a weight there. But people are always saying, just smile, man up, people have it worse than you. So she's like, well, fine, I'll just slap a happy face on it and I'm all better. So that inspired me. I always wanted to do this walk, but it kind of said, hey, I should do this with a ball and chain to symbolize this and to kind of get it noticed more.
Yeah, for sure. Because, I mean, walking 1,000 kilometers isn't hard enough, so you might as well do it with the ball and chain, right?
Right.
Well, let's talk about how did you get into raising mental health awareness, and why is it important to you?
Well, about in 2012 or 2013, I was diagnosed with bipolar, ADHD, social phobia, paranoia, other labels, you know, and that sparked me to get sober. So I'm now 32 months sober, and I owe it all to finding out I had mental health issues. So now it's a very important cause to me. So I've done 2 fundraisers in the last 2 years, and I've raised over $20,000 for 3 different charities, and 2 of which are mental health related. The other one was the RG Food Bank.
Right, and it's such an important conversation to have. But what was it that really got you into this and involved with some of the organizations that you're involved with?
Well, I knew a lady named Kim Titus was doing, started her own foundation called the Thumbs Up Foundation. And it was in honor of her son, Braden Titus, who had died of suicide in 2015. And I myself suffer from mental health conditions like he did. And I went to the same place that he went, and I got the help that I feel like he might not have received. So I wanted to help them out and give money back to their charity, as well as the Defeat Depression campaign, which is a national-wide campaign going on that the Mood Disorder Society of Canada holds. And they give money back to local mental health facilities, as well as raises awareness for mental health issues. It's something I'm very, very passionate about, and I want to help as many people or inspire as many people as I can.
Yeah, and Mike, why are these campaigns so important?
Well, number one, it gets people talking about mental health issues, and I myself, I'm not embarrassed by it. I am who I am, and I don't think anyone should be ashamed to talk about their mental health issues or ask for help. Asking for help is one of the bravest things you can do, and if we get people talking about it, people might feel free to just come out and say, hey, I'm having issues, and people are willing to help you.
Right. Well, Mike, it's such an important conversation. It's such an important campaign and awareness campaign to have. So thanks so much for joining us. For more information, you can visit mikesmarch.defeatdepression.ca. Again, Mike, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Jordan.